Okay, this little video will help you know how to access your MyLabs Plus homework, your MLP homework. So every week you'll have MLP homework, and you can find it by going under the MLP folder for that week. You click on the assignment. Notice there's a due date on that assignment, and it'll open up the instructions for finding the assignment. All the instructions are here, but let me just show you on the video because it can be confusing sometimes. So you want to click the MyLabs Plus link that's provided for you, and this will take you into this program that's called MyLabs Plus. And when you get here, you're going to see a whole lot of stuff that you can ignore. Some of the stuff you're seeing now you won't even see. It's just that I can see it in my instructor view. But you want to follow the instructions, and usually what you're doing is you see me scrolling down here to Unit 1, which is our first unit. So there's something to click there. And then there's a section under that unit that you're clicking, 1A, Introduction to Voting. And then I know you're going to see a lot of stuff on this page, and you think you have to do everything on this page, but you don't. You're going directly to something that's highlighted in blue, like Homework 1A is our first homework assignment. Don't worry about doing anything else on this page. You can look at it if you want to, but you need to go directly to this homework assignment to get to it. And when you get to the assignment will be listed here. As long as there's not a green flag in front of it, that means that you can go ahead and start it. When you click on the assignment, you will have questions that you need to answer. There's only 5 questions in this first assignment. Before you can answer these questions, you have to click on this video. You don't have to watch the whole video if you don't want to, but you have to at least click on it. And I'm not going to play the whole thing. You do not have to watch it because it may or may not be helpful. But once you click on it, a little green check will come up, and that will light up these questions so that you can begin working on the questions. And you progress through the questions just by clicking on them. You can skip around. You can go back and redo a question. When you click on a question, you put your answers in. If you need some help, you can click these help buttons. It'll take you to the textbook. You could send me an email. It'll take me a little while to respond to it, but there is help there. You can save your work. It'll save it automatically anyway. So that's kind of what the homework will look like. So it's always about going to the main menu, finding the unit, underneath the unit, finding the section, and when you get to the page, just finding that blue highlighted homework link to get to the homework. Okay, good luck with it.